Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Coding with Shihab. Now we are discussing Codility for programmer problems. I already uploaded lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 and lesson 4. From lesson 4 we already completed frog river 1. Find the earliest time when a frog can jump to the other side of the river, and second one, maximum counter, calculate the value of counters after applying all alternating operations. Increase counter by 1, set value of all counters to current maximum. Today we will solve another problem, missing integer. Let's view it and we should read the instruction what they actually want, what sort of problem we have to solve. This is demo task. Okay, fine. Find the smallest positive integer. So we have to find out a smallest value from the array that does not occur in a given sequence. Okay, like it should be unique number. For an example, 1 to 5, maybe 4 will be missing, we should find out 4. That given an array, write a function, like a function is like this, class solution, this is the class name, after that this is the method name, public int solution int array, this is the array sign and the data type is array. That given an array A of n integers, return the smallest positive integer greater than 0. We should be, remember, it should be greater than 0, not 0, that does not occur in A. Okay, for example, given A 1 2, given A 1 3 6 4 1 2, the function should return 5 because you see inside this array 5 is missing. So we have to find it out now through the algorithm. The 5 is missing inside this array. And the second one is given a array 1 2 3, the function should return 4 because next element will be 4 according to the consecutive way or unique way. Given a, if array value is -1 -3, the function should return -1 because we will not count any negative number. It's already written here. Integer that does not occur given in sequence, and it should be greater than 0. It should be greater than 0. That's why we will not count minus figure. Write an efficient algorithm for the following assumption. So let's start. We will solve this problem using 5 or 7 steps. Let's start. At first, for your understanding, I want to write comment, take a special case. A special case means if array is empty, then it should be return 1. This is the special case. Now we need to find out the smallest positive integer. So we should define in variable int smallest. Primarily we are initializing it 1 because they already told greater than 0. So greater than 0 means 1. After that, to add the element or check the element is unique or not, that's why we are using hash set data type. Before using this data type, I should import the class so hash set and data type will be integer. Data type will be integer and after that, now we will use for loop, and inside the for loop we will initialize all array values and we will add all array values inside the hash set for counting unique element. Then define for loop. Now I am adding this array value inside the hash set. It will check the array value will be unique or not, and it will take all the values from array, and if any element will be double, it will not count double, it will take only one. For an example, there is one is 2 times, but it will take 1 times inside the hash set. Now we should use another loop while hash dot on. We are checking if hash set data type is containing the smallest value. Is it containing a smallest value or not? If yes, then a smallest value will be increased. Like at first it will be 1, second time it will be 2, third time it will be 3, fourth it will be 4, fifth it will be 5. So after that, now we can return, because we should return int value, so our int value is smallest one, and we should find out the smallest value this way. Now let's check is it working or not. It's working all example test case. We should recap what we did according to the problem statement. At first we checked a special case. We are going to check if array is empty or not. Later we define smallest value, and primarily we initialize it 1 because it's written a smallest positive integer greater than 0. That means we can count only positive integer, not any negative integer, and it should be greater than 0. That's why primarily we define 1. Later we use hash set data structure. What hash set doing I already described, but I am telling again. It's help to added element inside the hash set uniquely. That means if one item will be 2 or 3 times inside the array, hash set will count only one time using the add method. After that, we using add method, and it's checking element inside the array. After that, we are using another loop, it's while loop, and inside the while loop we are checking inside the hash set if the smallest value is already inside this hash set or not. If yes, then a smallest value will be increased. If not, then it's another case. After that, we are returning a smallest value. Now we are going to submit our task. Let's see what is our score. It's not easy, it's medium type of algorithm. It's not hard, it's not easy, it's medium. Wow, great. Performance 100%, correctness 100%. And I think it's pretty clear because I also write a comment what we did step by step and why we use hash set. I already described it, and I also wrote a comment and define for loop, why we are defining for loop, and what we did we already explained. And to understanding more about hash set, you can follow the w3school.com java hash set ASP, and it's clearly defined what actually hash set did. A hash set is a collection of items where every item is unique. That means every item will be count only one time, and it is found in the Java util package. For your help, I am showing. It's star means java.util, and dot star means we are importing all classes inside the util package. Create a hash set object called car that will store setting and add element. The hash set class has many useful methods. For example, to add items to it, use the add method. And this is very important message. In the example above, even though BMW is added twice, it only appears once in the set because every item in a set has to be unique. You see, BMW they are trying to add it 2 times, but it will appear only 1 time. This is the main concept about using hash set. To check whether an item exists in a hash set, we should use contains method. You see, we already use contain method to check a smallest element is inside the hash set or not. And this is our score. So thank you very much everyone. You can check those documentation. One is from Oracle and another one is from W3 schools. I hope it will be very helpful to understanding this data structure also, hash set data structure, and you can easily implement it in your algorithm problem, and you can easily find out the solution within a short coding. No, we can solve one algorithm in different way, and there are some solutions it's quite big, and maybe it will be confusing, but I think this solution is quite clear and it's easily understandable. So follow my channel, subscribe my channel, and stay with me to learn something new, and together we will solve a lot of problem. Until next problem, take care, bye bye. Please follow my channel and subscribe my channel.